The U.S. Supreme Court rejected appeals over COVID vaccines. SCOTUS rejected appeals brought over COVID-19 vaccines by the Children's Health Defense, CHD for short. Now, that's a nonprofit founded by Robert F. Kennedy Jr.
This is Dr. David Schein, and welcome to Business Law 101.
The nation's top court rejected an appeal seeking to overturn lower court rulings that said CHD and its members lacked standing to sue the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, or the FDA. This is related to the emergency authorizations of COVID-19 vaccines for minors. SCOTUS also rejected another CHD appeal in a case that challenged the COVID-19 vaccine mandate imposed on students at Rutgers University in New Jersey. Likely, SCOTUS relied on a 120-year-old ruling in Jacobson versus Massachusetts, which held a state law requiring vaccination against smallpox. Of course, the distinction is the smallpox vaccines have been extremely effective, and that's been proven over a very long period of time. The CHD attorneys have argued that there was a recent federal appeals court ruling that held that the Jacobson case did not apply to the case filed against the COVID vaccine mandate in California because there was insufficient evidence that the current COVID-19 vaccines prevent the spread of disease. Part of the legal problem here is that the U.S. government granted the vaccine makers and any related party near complete freedom from liability in the early going in the COVID pandemic. The idea was that the vaccines would get out faster if they did not have to get the full government backing and just get out there and do it. Unfortunately, these vaccines with the government backing overpromised and underdelivered. The most likely outcome at this point might be, should another pandemic arrive, the government will be more careful in granting liability waivers to pharmaceutical companies. At least we can all hope so. This is Dr. David D. Schein for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.